How to customize the Details pane in File Explorer. This tutorial shows you how to show extra file info alongside your folders. Click the View option at the top. After that, hover over Show. From there, click Details pane. At this point, the pane will now appear on the right side showing info about any selected file. In the next step, click on any file or folder to see its details, like size, date modified, and dimensions if it's an image. Following this, for photos, you'll also see camera details if that info is available. Once done, click a different file to see the pane update automatically. Keep in mind, the Details pane shows different information depending on the file type, so results vary between documents, photos, and videos. Finally, click View, then Show, then Details pane again anytime to turn it off. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize the Details pane in File Explorer, give it a like. Subscribe for more PC tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.